Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am back with a cicada nymph. You can see he is climbing up. Like, I found this cicada nymph right here. He was right there. He was crawling around. And I decided to give him a little hand. I put him up here. I actually kind of grabbed him and put him up here. Here he is. You can see he's slowly climbing. He's definitely not a cicada shell. He's like the walking version of the cicada shell, of a cicada shell. Wait, that is a tarantula. You can see. Oh my gosh, it is a giant wasp. There's a cicada killer. There is a tarantula hawk. You can see that thing moving in the grass, a large wasp. By the way, I saw a cicada hawk. A tarantula hawk. I keep calling it a cicada hawk. Yep. If you can see that black thing moving right there, if you can see that large black wasp-looking thing moving right there, that's a tarantula hawk. Tarantula hawks are cicada predators. They hunt cicadas and they lay their eggs inside them. And I don't want to get too close, but here he is. You can kind of see him. There he is right there. You can see that. You see that black figure right there? But it's not about the tarantula hawk. It's about this guy, the cicada nymph, that I helped get him up somewhere. He's on my trampoline. Well, looks like he did find an emerging spot. He stopped. Oh my gosh, he didn't. I thought he found a cicada. Oh, there he is, the same wasp. He's going out. Really hope it doesn't take my cicada. Well, he's flying out there further out in the yard. Yep. There was this tarantula hawk. It flew away. Okay. Well, that was about as close as I could get from it. You guys pretty much saw him a little. He was climbing. He was moving around the grass looking for tarantulas. He was patrolling the grass and looking for tarantulas. That could be just waiting to mate. Here he is. You can get a really good close-up of him. He's a large nymph. I'm pretty sure he's a brown cicada nymph. He's very large. He's a large nymph. See how big he is compared to that side. He's a big cicada nymph. Could be one of those megabits and elite cicadas. This guy's name is Joshua. Ugh. Cicada, 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 cicada. That's me making my music I always do. This guy's still climbing. He's climbing, he's moving again. He's backing up. He's standing still there. I think he found a cicada. I think he's found a spot to come out of his shell now. I think this guy found a spot to come out of his shell. I think he did spot a perfect spot, so he backed up a little and then stopped. Right where he walked past. You can kind of see inside the shell of the cicada. You can kind of see inside the nymph of the cicada. You can kind of see the cicada inside. You can actually see its wings, kind of. Here he is. I'm going to probably end the video right here. That was a cicada nymph.